Welcome to Great Nursery English class. Hope you all are fine.
Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for animal. Animal. A is for armchair. Armchair. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for air. Air. A is for answer. Answer. A is for aunt. Aunt. A is for angel. Angel. A is for autumn. Autumn. A is for always. Always. A is for arrow. Arrow. Here comes the letter B. B is for ball. Ball. B is for baby. Baby. B is for bean. Bean. B is for basket. Basket. B is for birthday. Birthday. B is for bread. Bread. B is for breakfast. Breakfast. B is for bun. Bun. B is for beautiful.
Stay home, stay safe, nursery class.